A great cut of steak, a hot block of salt is all you need to create steak magic. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're cooking A5 Wagyu on a salt block. The first thing that we want to do is get the salt block heated up. The most important step is preheating the salt block slowly. So we're going to place it in the cold oven, then bring the temperature up to 260 degrees, hold it there for about 15 minutes. Increase the temperature to 400 degrees and wait 15 minutes. And then finally get the temperature up to 500 degrees and wait 20 minutes. While the block heats, remove the Wagyu from the refrigerator, and we got a beautiful New York strip steak here. There's no need for oil, heavy seasoning. This steak already contains more beautiful marbling than almost anything you'll ever cook. It's been 45 minutes. Let's start cooking. The salt block is scorching hot, so let's remove it from the oven. And now for the fun part. We're gonna lay the steak directly onto the hot salt block and let the beef do the talking. Want to flip it over a couple of times and cook for about 90 seconds per side depending on thickness. The salt block will gently season the exterior while creating an incredible crust without overpowering the natural flavors. When it hits medium rare, give the steak just a few minutes to rest. You want to enjoy it while that luxurious fat is still warm and melting. We're gonna slice it into thin slices, and then we're gonna season it with my favorite sea salt, black lava salt from Saltwerk, and that's all you need to do for a perfectly cooked A5 Wagyu steak. And that is how I make a Japanese A5 Wagyu New York strip steak on a salt block, and that looks absolutely stunning. So rich. This is absolutely insane. I hope you try this at home. Wow. Just melts in your mouth. Happy grilling.